Yeah. 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 In the song, I am a rapper, but not in the game. Making money, I'm trying to get the brand new chain. Gotta watch all of my new chain. Looking like Follow, but I still looking like some change. Looking just like a wrestler, I got me a couple with face. Hold up, you can't touch me no more. You can't touch me no more. Never think all of that money was slow. Hold up, it's coming in though. Hold up, I be coming in making up money and got me a brain. Got a brain, got a brain, got a brain. Throw some bitches like I'm Ewing, can't touch me like I'm Riley. I got all that money pot up beside me, energy pot up beside me. I say I'm embarrassment, could not be embarrassed. Make all that money inherited, make all of that money not sharing it. Hold up, hey, I can't feel carrying it. Making all that money in the bag, can't carry it. Hold up, I feel like Travis Scott on this beat though. With the heat though, I can ball up the free throw. With the free throw, making all that money up with beats though. Hold up, gotta sit down in the seat though. That's why nobody can see what I learned. Can I see everything that I done burned? That took a dark and a deep little turn. These days people gotta get what they earn. Could never know what I low. I got the cash flow. Come in here, little on there like a sparrow. Come in here making all that like a sparrow. I got inherited though. So to that I be inherited. Thank God that I never prepared. Right now at least got now man. Now man with my style man.
I'm with the kid, up in the crib, doing it big, you know what it is. We stay with the drip, come close to my slick. We fully equipped, detecting your chick. So soon as you see me, you might as well dip. My mouth so slick, you might catch a fist and start throwing fits. But the ink in my pen is just how I vent. We have a sin, you should repent. We keeping it lit, we going legit. We know bunch of scripts, we stick to the script. We never take shit.
Hold up, he can't spend on my bars. I'm making the money cause I am a star. Hopping out everything, brand new car. Like for that, they keeping on talking their yards. I'ma go fly all off to Mars. I gotta keep some independent bars. I gotta keep it for independent stars. Hop in the whip, that brand new car. Hop in the car cause it's everything. I am a rapper but not in the game. Making money, think every got brand new chains. Making money and everything, Cuban Link, Rusty chains. So I'm thinking about right now, I got it on my brain. Making money and everything. Ay. Say I am a rapper but not in the game. Ay. Making money and everything, brand new chain. Ay. I'm a rapper but not in the gang. Got the Cuban links rush all up in my chain. Got an Einstein brain. People like me doing this for the money and the fame. No suspicion, I claim anything that I know, anything that I know, anything that I do, I just slow. I ain't suspicion, I claim everything I do for the Detroit. Feel me? Sad like that claim, you know with the clout. Right there, 20 bits, baby, out. Cash flow coming in, can't even count. Like the water I just found. So much cash flow, I can even count this. Just like a TV, I'm a mountain. I'ma drink out the water, follow the sun. That's a legend.